Basic usage of my turn to. It's my turn to plus, verb. The word it's is a contraction of the words it is. When stating my turn, you are telling someone that it is time to change position or position focuses onto you. Here are some examples. It's my turn to walk you home. It's my turn to do laundry. It's my turn to work late. It's my turn to take out the trash. It's my turn to choose where we eat. It is my turn to pay for dinner. It is my turn to roll the dice. It is my turn to provide an answer. It is my turn to try and play the game. It is my turn to attempt solving the problem.